There.
Okay, so I have your controller connected to my PlayStation, and I'm not finding anything wrong with it. I'm having no issues doing like Dragon Punch. This quarter circle back and kick. I'll try some ultras for you just so you can see. User error. Oh, user error. Wrong one. Bear with me. There we go. So I'm not having any issues with getting even the complicated motions to come out. That's going left. Let me show you going the other way. This is going right. Fireball. Hurricane kick or the Psycho kick. And his uppercut. So I'm not having any issues, but